I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy. Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
My arch nemesis. Not so smart now, are you?
Sir, the Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits? Sire does not remember. You must fix. Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sisterboard scan.
All right, let's see. Favorite color's green, favorite number's 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber. No Orbis chamber. Your Soniness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber. No Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only. Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
The Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him! Clank! Where are you going, Clank? Really? Come back so we can discuss it. Robot to robot! He's here! And all troops dislocated into one!
The troops are attempting to atomize Clank.
No, you fool! Sir, over here!
Listen carefully. I'm your only hope of escaping Dr. Nefarious. Head into the air ducting. Keep moving. Good. You're safe for now.
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now look at the one on the right. Got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it! You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
We were just
The trace fails.
Breach detected in Sector 6. Dispatching time clearance.
Sir, the registry shows that the number of Zoni has dwindled from 117,000 to 205.
Tony! Come back! I was only kidding!
There's a perfectly logical explanation for that. But let's save it for another time.
We should be friends. Come here, robot.
Let's do them, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious.
You contemptible robot! Switch my hands on you! I'll rip that dome of yours off and pull out your brain with my
Ingenious.
Hurry up, sir. Use your helipad.
Blurring with fear.
Aberrant time activity detected in Drogol sector.
They're on their way, sir. You have to move.
Clank is in Impound Substation 6.
Sir, come here, quickly!
Oh, there's a control!
Subject acquired.
Quick, they're right on your tail! Get cover, sir! I have an idea. I'm going to put the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room. Hurry, before the energy dissipates! Good job, sir! Now keep moving!
Temporal catastrophe detected in 3, 2, 1.
What are you going to do if you escape tonight? I doubt that the hypersonic are all enough to fly you all the way to Polaris.
Stabilizers offline.
I'll make you a
Time
deal.
systems downloaded.
You show me how to get into one tiny, insignificant room, and I'll let you keep that pathetic tangle of free wires that you call...
Oh no! This is terrible! All of Orbis's work ruined! I can't believe I let this happen!
Located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 room closet.
Warning. Paradox prevention protocols.
Sir, they've locked me in! Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber!
Block integrity critical.
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry? I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to evasive maneuvers.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion, engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, so we're gonna die. Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery. Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself. Ratchet! Nature is attacking! Not bad for a Ratchet. Take this, evil-doer! Okay, slight problem. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is gonna be murder on my spandex.